Hey friends, welcome back. If you're new here, I'm Delicia, and to my current subscribers, I'm glad you're here for another video. Fall's officially a week away, so if you're ready to make some fall-inspired coffees at home, just keep watching. I've tested tons of recipes here and narrowed it down today to a maple pumpkin spice latte and a pumpkin cream cold brew. As I rate my opinions, hopefully you'll make these at home and rate them as well. If you are new here and you love all things home and lifestyle and you haven't done so already, make sure that you click on that subscribe button and that notification bell. That way you're locked into all of my videos and you will be notified when I upload my latest. Now let's get started. Now let's whip up that pumpkin cream. Go ahead and pour in your whipping cream into a bowl. Then your 3 tablespoons of pumpkin puree. Next, I'll sprinkle in that 1.5 teaspoons of pumpkin pie spice. Then after that, the vanilla extract. Mix this up however you wish to. I chose to use my hand mixer with the whisk attachment. You can use a whisk by hand. You can even use a little blender. We just don't want it too thick, but just a little bit on the frothy side. Use whatever cold brew coffee you want to for this recipe. I chose to use the Stoke brand from the store. You can use homemade. And if you guys would like to see me make cold brew here on the channel, let me know down in the comments below and we'll see if we can do that in a future video. In case you notice, my coffee is unsweetened, so I thought that I'd just add a little bit of pumpkin caramel syrup to mine. Since my cold brew is super concentrated, I did add a little bit of water to it as well. After mixing up the pumpkin cold cream, this is what it looks like. I think I went a little overboard with pouring this because of this large mason jar, but this is what it looks like. I seem to always miscalculate my measurements when I pour or make drinks in this jar here, but this is what it looks like. I didn't do any taste test on camera for this video, but it turned out pretty good. So you guys have to let me know below if you make this, what you thought of yours. Now for the pumpkin mixture for our latte, turn your saucepan on medium on your stovetop, and we're going to pour in a cup of milk. I am using 2% in this recipe. I usually prefer oat milk or almond milk, but I didn't really like the oat milk that I have on hand right now. And as you can see, I'm saving some of my milk because I'm saving a 1/4 cup of that for foam when I'm done. I'm putting in my 2 tablespoons of pumpkin puree, and then 1.5 teaspoons of pumpkin spice, and then the maple syrup, which is 2 tablespoons. And I can't forget the vanilla extract. We're going to whisk that up a little bit and let this sit on the stove just until steamy. We don't want to boil it. As you can see, it's steaming a little bit, so I'm going to sit it over to the side as I get my coffee ready. Again, you can use double espresso if you have an espresso maker, which I don't, so I just made really strong coffee. Believe me, this coffee is strong. So I got about 2 ounces of that on ice, and I'm pouring this mixture in that we made on the stove top. It smells really good. I'm going to give the mixture a little mix just to make sure that all of the ingredients are mixed in pretty well with the coffee. Now let's make a little cold foam. So this is the remainder of the milk that I had, and again I'm adding some more of that pumpkin caramel syrup. You do not have to do this. I just wanted a little bit of flavor going throughout my drink. So I am frothing this, hopefully where it's not too whipped up. I don't want it too whipped. I want it to be more on the frothy side, so about 30 seconds or so should be enough. Let's see how this turns out. We're going to pour this into our latte. The foam is so. It looks a little bit on the clumpy side, like I may have mixed it up just a little longer than I wanted to. Then if you prefer, you can top it with some pumpkin pie spice. Again, I didn't taste this one on camera either, but it was pretty good to me. Guys, I have a lot more cozy food and drink content coming for the fall season, so make sure your notification bell is on. Make sure also to leave me a comment and a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to share with someone that you are close to that you think that may enjoy this also. Remember, friends, don't let anyone or anything steal your joy. You own it. It is yours. Make your day amazing. I'll see you all in the next video.